Welcome to my parents' Christmas home tour. I'm very excited to share this with you guys because I love my mom's house at Christmas time. It is so cheerful, so fun, and she has traditional decorations, things from when I was growing up, but she also has some new decorations this year, and I can't wait for you guys to see everything. So this room is very different in that it has a lot of our family memories in this room. It's very cozy, it's very dear to my mom. It has a lot of pictures of my siblings when we were growing up as kids. It has her books that she's collected for every Christmas and a special quilt in here. And it's just like that cozy room that you go to think about your Christmas past. And this is also a photo of my mom sitting on Santa's lap when she was a little girl and my dad sitting on Santa's lap when he was a little boy. And I love this photo. It brings me so much joy. And when I was filming this, I was really surprised to see that my mom still has these placemats that she got laminated. My sister and I made these when we were like maybe 5, 6. I don't know how old we were, so they have to be at least 25 years old. As you can tell, I even spelled something wrong, but I love that she still has them. And I wanted to point out my favorite decoration that my mom has is this Christmas clock. It plays Christmas music every hour. And I said this in the fall tour, but this is my favorite part of my mom's house is when she decorates this little nook in her family room. I love this photo she has of a Christmas tree farm. She said it reminds her of when she was pregnant with my brother Nick, and she went to a Christmas tree farm just like that in Ohio. So I really love that it's nostalgic to her. I love this area, how she pulls in all the pines, and then the pines on the bottom are actually real pines that she puts in this bucket, and it smells just like real Christmas greens. This is definitely one of my favorite spots besides the Christmas tree. And speaking of Christmas trees, let's talk about my mom's tree this year. This is a very farmhouse inspired tree that she's done about 2 years now. And my mom has been outdoing herself with Christmas trees since I can remember. Way before TikTok, way before Pinterest, way before anybody. My mom has always had traditional, very classic, very original thoughts for her trees. She makes her bows, she makes her Christmas tree toppers. I remember being a little girl and having people take pictures of our Christmas tree from the window, or they knock on the door and ask to take a picture, and she really just always outdoes herself. Her trees are beautiful, and I cannot believe she's been doing this for as long as she has, but she really hasn't lost her touch, and every year her tree takes my breath away. Well, that wraps up my parents' Christmas home tour. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new content and follow me over on Instagram for updates. I'll see you in 2021. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.